Introducing the Gazoscan Mini by Ecotec Solutions. The Gazoscan Mini is a handheld remote methane detector. This instrument is an ultralight, highly sensitive leak detector that uses infrared lasers to remotely detect methane leaks. This video is to inform you on the components that come included with the Gazoscan Mini, along with the power on and power off instructions. Inside the Gazoscan Mini case, you will find one methane leak detector. Underneath the Gazoscan Mini instrument, simply lift up. There you will find a compartment. Inside this compartment, you will find the Gazoscan Mini Quick Instruction Guide, explaining the basic fundamentals of how to operate the Gazoscan Mini instrument. A QR code link to the digital operating manual is also included. One USB-C charger and one USB-C cord also comes with the Gazoscan Mini case. A set of keys come included in all Gazoscan Mini casing to lock and unlock the case. Ecotec's new Gazoscan Mini design is made for comfort, durability, and accuracy. This instrument detects leaks at 50 feet of distance. Using the powerful laser spectroscopy technology, the Gazoscan Mini is intrinsically safe and very easy to use. To power on instrument, simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Instrument will then show a loading screen. Shortly after, it will power on. Power down instrument, simply repeat powering on steps. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Instrument will then power down. Quick instructions on how to use instrument. Simply point laser to desired location. The instrument will then show a measured value of reading on the screen. The Gazoscan instrument will set off the built-in alarm and vibrate feature if leaks are detected. Once the Gazoscan Mini is fully powered down, you can return instrument to casing for proper storage. For more information, visit us at ecoteco.com.